How's it going? I'm Dylan Devera, DevD, Blockchain 101 courses that I'm teaching people how to build blockchain applications utilizing AI. It's pretty crazy what we can do nowadays. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get ChatGPT to write an Erc721 smart contract for NFTs so you can mint and sell your NFTs on your favorite blockchain. With that being said, let's dive right in. You're going to say, write me a ERC721 smart contract that allows users to mint my NFTs for 5 Ether each. The max supply is 1,000. So now it's going to teach us basically, or write us a smart contract to mint those NFTs. And it's going to write it. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. Here's the smart contract it gave us. It has a mint function, set base URI, withdrawal. These are all kind of basic standard functions for an ERC721. We're going to come back over here. We're going to come to contracts and remix. We're going to create a new file. We're going to say my nft.sol. It's going to create a new file. We're going to paste that new contract in here. That new contract is given to us, has an error. This error we're going to take, and within actual remix they have an option for you to just ask ChatGPT straight in the terminal, which is kind of cool. I normally actually like to take these errors and paste them into the conversation of the code that AI had given me, so it kind of remembers and it understands what the error is referencing to. So we're going to push that in and click enter. The error you're encountering is due to the way ownable contract from OpenZeppelin is constructed. In recent version of OpenZeppelin contracts, the ownable constructor may require an initial owner address to be passed. However, in many cases, especially for simpler contracts, ownable does not require that. So we basically have to pass the initial owner. It's not doing that for some reason. Yeah, it didn't do that. But we have to pass the initial owner. This has to be passed as a constructor. We'll copy it in there. I already know it's going to have to throw another error, but just for you guys to see what happens. Okay. Still getting that error. We're going to try again. Let's ask ChatGPT on this one, and then we'll come back in here and say, copy this error, paste it back in. We're going to paste this contract in just to give it reference within this prompt. It's going to spit out some stuff again. It's going to try and fix it again. Hopefully it does it this time. It looks like it did it correctly this time. So now it only gave us a snippet of it, but that's okay. We only need this little constructor. But we'll take all of this from the constructor up. We'll come back to our remix, come to our constructor, go all the way to the constructor up. We'll let that compile. See if that fixes it. Boom! We have successfully created an ERC721 NFT smart contract with 1,000 max supply and 5 Ether each NFT with ChatGPT 4. How crazy is that? That was within literally 5 minutes, I think. I don't know, I haven't been timing, but it's been pretty quick that we were able to get the AI to write this smart contract for us to mint our NFTs. Now, of course, you are going to need the art, and you're going to need to generate the metadata and upload to the IPFS and a bunch of other crazy stuff. Sorry, excuse my language. I don't know, I like to cuss. I used to be a welder, and now I'm a developer, so... Anyways, yeah. With that being said, we have just created this smart contract with AI, and now we can deploy it. We're going to come over here. Right now we're in Remix Shanghai. Normally, if you're trying to deploy to your favorite blockchain, you would come to inject the provider and make sure your wallet is connected to that blockchain. For now, we're just going to stay on Shanghai just for quick ease. Right here, you'll see deploy. These are our constructors that we need to input. This is going to be the name of our NFT collection. We're going to say my NFT collection. It's simple. The symbol is MNFT. Whatever you want to name it, really. Whatever you want your symbol of your NFT collection to be. The base token RI would actually be what you would get from your metadata. For now, we're just going to put in a mock one. It's going to be IPFS. Semicolon, dash, dash, blah, 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 slash. Okay, we're going to click transact. Now we have successfully deployed this contract that we created with AI. Crazy. Here's the name of it, my NFT collection, and symbol is MNFT. The base token URI is IPFS, blah, blah, blah. Now we'll come down here to where our functions are. These are all standard functions that come with the extension that we imported into it. It's the Erc721 extension. We can transfer our NFTs, we can set the base URI, we can mint them, and the owner can withdraw the funds. So we're going to try and mint an NFT. It's going to fail because I haven't paid anything, but I'm going to show you. Boom. Ether sense is not correct. Right here, if you see, it says Ether. It requires the Ether sense to be the correct price. If it's not, it'll revert. So we need to come up here, specify 5 because that's how much our NFT is, and click mint NFT. Boom! We successfully minted an NFT, and it's transferred it to our wallet. If you come down here, our total supply is now 1. Our symbol is MNFT. If you look at the token URI, token ID 1, it's going to be our metadata, our URI, which is correct. Our owner is the owner of the smart contract, the name of the NFT collection, the max supply. It's pretty cool stuff, in the price. There you have it. Just minted an NFT. So now the owner, now there's 5 ETH inside this contract, the owner can withdraw it. Withdraw, boom, now there's 0. Now you successfully created an NFT smart contract, Erc721 smart contract with AI, deployed it in Remix, minted it, and successfully withdrew the funds that you minted it with. How crazy is that? Simple. In less than 10 minutes, you were able to create a smart contract and deploy it in a production-ready environment. That's all for today, but in these next videos, I'm going to teach you guys how to take this smart contract that you had wrote and build the front end so users can buy and mint your NFTs. And that's it. Goodbye.